Today's job was a referral to us from Turner Septic. Thanks, Kim. Turner Septic. They get shit done. Here's their telephone number right here. Give them a buzz for all your septic pumping and riser needs.
The passenger princess today, Rod.
Yep.
Keep your feet off the dash.
You're driving Miss Daisy. Oh my god, you're going so fast. You're making me nervous.
Right to the right side of the road.
I feel like I have to open the door and jump out. That rod guy forgot to get gas again, huh? Not tight. He rose from muck when everything was stuck. He saved the throne and land. Came the day when the you can turn it on.
And the king cried out, "Oh my good lord, no bath, no drink, and the drains are dead. Our chamber pots are full and fed. The court was choked, the moat did leak. The castle stank for near a week. Nights fell ill, monks would pray as Brown Doom ruined every day. As Brown Doom ruined every day. Sing ye loud and sing ye proud of Rod the peasant man. He rose from muck when everything was stuck. He saved the throne and land. Rod heard the call with a plunger made of wood and hide. 'Twas fresh. He strode to court in peasant rags. The nobles laughed between their gags, but brave was he and firm his grit. He dove into the filth and shit. Through twists of pipe and clumps of rot, he fought the clog and slayed each pot. He fought the clog and slayed each pot. Sing ye loud and sing ye proud of Rod the peasant man. He rose from muck when everything was stuck. He saved the throne and land. He faced the beast of hair and goo, a tangled fowl of ancient stew. He stabbed, he swirled, he plunged with might, and through the dark brought back the light. The waters ran, the trumpets blew, the king cried out, "This man is true." The people danced, the nobles cheered, as Rod stood tall, his task revered. As Rod stood tall, his task revered. Sing ye loud and sing ye proud of Rod the peasant man. He rose from muck when everything was stuck. He saved the throne and land. The princess fair with eyes like dawn saw Rod the peasant man. She fluffed her hair, her chest now bare. She was his biggest fan. The king decreed no more brown summer. Rod is now our royal plumber. He gave his daughter's hand to retain, and crowned Rod lord of every trade, and crowned Rod lord of every trade. So sing ye proud of Rod the brave, who plunged a kingdom from its grave. With grit and heart he found his fame, and flushed his way to royal name. Sing ye loud and sing ye proud of Rod the peasant man. He rose from muck when everything was stuck. He saved the throne and land.
Hey, Matt.
Hey, Rod.
Where we at?
Kringle's Pizzeria out in North Conway on the edge between. We already go through Bartlett?
Yep, actually, we're in Bartlett.
We're in Bartlett.
Yeah, we're in the Bartlett and
Kringle's
Jackson one.
Pizza in Bartlett.
So what'd you get?
I got a cheese pizza and a pepperoni. They
nice.
smell good.
Yeah, they just came out, so they're nice and fresh. Nice view of the outside here, and the flowers and everything. You know, I got a funny story for you. Brought my wife out here for a date. Told her to get dressed up. We're going someplace fancy. Didn't tell her where we were going. So We pull into the place. I said, let's just go in here and grab something to drink. Lo and behold, we were coming in here to get pizza. And we sat next to the ketchup and mustard. It was like one of our first date nights out when we moved up here in 2004. So that was funny. She always makes a joke at that. So she's probably mad at me right now for eating pizza and telling the story of our date out here at Kringle's Pizzeria when I made her get all dressed up because I said we were going someplace fancy. Well, thanks for watching the video. The pizza here is pretty good. Never had any problems with it. Matt seems to be enjoying it.
Good pizza.
Yep, good pizza. That's our view. After being dirty from doing the leach field, get to sit next to some pretty flowers.
No freckles today.
No freckles. Oh, wait, maybe one. Maybe one. I did find a tick on me. I think it was big. It stopped at the stop sign like something's crawling in my arm, and there it was. Like, you throw it out the window.
The silence down, put the wolf into the back, let the drink